Love is like setting sail on a calm sea, steady and sure, guiding you through life's ups and downs. It's in those quiet moments at dawn, when the world's just waking up, and everything feels right. In marriage, love is the look in your partner's eyes that says more than words ever could. It's the bond that holds you together through whatever life throws your way. Marriage is built on the small things, a warm smile, a gentle touch, and the trust you share. It's about being each other's anchor when the waters get rough, knowing that no matter what, you're in this together. Love isn't just about the grand gestures. It's in the everyday moments that remind you you're not alone. In marriage, love is your compass, leading you through the good times and the storms, always bringing you back to each other. It's the strength you draw from knowing someone's got your back, through thick and thin.